Big jobs like these requires a lot of tools and a lot of setup. After referencing our drawing we drew up earlier, set up a temporary block. So we've transferred the measurement from the deck. Double check with our tape measure. Do a bit of demolition here. Take out this old lattice gate. Always strap your load down really tight. We bend down all the nails as we pull the timbers up for a temporary access point. Rest of this old retaining wall. Enjoy your coffee. Enjoy the beautiful view out here. I try and keep my job sites safe by always removing rusty nails and grab a 2x4 as a lever. Some of these posts are in the ground deep, so we take our time. Pulling out all that old timber with rusty nails. For this one we have to keep positioning the leverage system higher up the post by hammering down the nails so it's safe for handling. These are the Corellas going crazy there. It took a lot of effort, but it was very satisfying when I finally got it out.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.